Hey, what's up, traders? Nikki Limitless here for a daily markup, and I'm super excited. Today's day one of the FTMO challenge, and for my second time, if you watched the video yesterday, you would have heard how I took the FTMO challenge, passed it, and then lost it all. Not all, but I lost it. Right, passed the challenge verification, and then I lost the account, which is I don't want to say fine, but it was a lesson learned, which was good it's good for my trading soul. It was a humbling experience, woke me up, and got me to do and act and take massive action in my business of trading. Right. So day one, I can see already that my energy is sleepy right now. So I'm gonna take this with y'all guys. And one day somebody's gonna snap with me and they're gonna post it and they're gonna say, "Hey, I snapped with you." I'm gonna be like, "Thank you. How you feel?" Right? So, watermelon nitro to the face, because I am a beast like that. Surge face for real. Hit it with water after and get to going down the stream. So, wow, I'm already like big time. Woo! All right, so let's talk about trading. It's 7:39 Eastern Standard Time. The market's doing a push up already. I was looking at a lower time frame chart before. To me, so this is the daily, obviously. I figured I'd mark the daily today. Bullish engulfing, bullish engulfing. It looks like it's wanting to come up and break. Yeah. Let's mark the daily high. Alright, let's drop to the 4 hour. Just want to hit it with the channel. Alright, beautiful. So we have a channel and we have a daily high and low. So now let's work in between this. This imbalance is still there. Let me slide over. Okay. Order block is sitting there, waiting just the same. Filled. Let's look a little above this to see any imbalances, because for any reason it shoots up higher, we know. And then another one bites the dust. Maybe I should play music in the background. Because like I don't want to be just boring talking markup guy. I mean, sometimes I don't even talk. Okay. Imbalance. Look at that. We have another one. Okay. All right. So we have some imbalances above. But usually, and I mean, look, this whole thing, now that I'm up here looking, right, this whole thing is imbalanced. I can just say up to there. And then do this one here. This is just extra markup. So everything looks like it wants to come up, right? So let's go below here and see why I would want to pull down. Excellent. All right, so what's happening here in this order block, which I'm going to shift it to a lower time frame because it's so massive, which it's tapped into this order block 3 times. 1, 2, 3, right? But it's such a massive order block. So what you would do is hit it with the discount premium. So it did come into here, but that's more of a premium price. And then here's the equilibrium, and then the green. And all this is the discount, right? So we're looking for it to come into here to go up, to take a buy, or to take the buy. Like we're looking to hit equilibrium or lower in order to take a buy. And then the same goes for up here. There would be a discount premium as well. Yeah. So, which the equilibrium is right here, right? So it looks like it's pushing up right now, but it doesn't mean anything. In the moment. So, yeah. And also this purple. Okay. Take the high to the low. Boom. All right. Let's go to the hour. Let's fine tune everything. See how that just tightened up, and this is gonna tighten up. Well, not that one. This one. Boom. And we'll tighten this one up too. until discount premium changes. It just tightens up so we can get a better. It's a little bit high. See now it's changed, shifted. We have a tighter spot. We can find the equilibrium better. Okay. So now you see this push. So we have a range, initiation, mitigation, continuation. We may see another tap up here to come down. I mean, the way it's pushing up. But it is, I mean, look, it's to me, it's a big consolidation. It's making, it's, it has the highs and lows, but it's overall like staying, it's making a little bit lower. But then this hit yesterday, hit a little bit higher. So this is the low, but to me, it looks like this. This triangle. And it's about to burst out. Excuse me. So you see it's just consolidating and getting tighter into this triangle that we have. And there's a lot of marking here. And this is a massive zone, but look at that bone. This zone's holding weight. This order block. This order block is holding weight because it's hit into this order block. Dang, I caught him. It's the fly. Anyway, this order block hit 1, 2, 3. Oh, we broke through it. 4. Sounds like a liquidity sweep. So it hasn't, I mean, it wicked through it, so technically it hasn't broke through it. I mean, wicks count too. On a lower time frame, it did. But at the same time, it didn't. Because, like, it wicked, it didn't really break. Look at that thing pushing up. The 7 o'clock candle. Let's go to 15. Let's see what's up. We can tighten the hour markups now. Because, well, it's here. And that's there. Okay. And there's Pinky. Alright, so we're still in between these range. Well, alright, so here, this is what I'm seeing. So we've had range, initiation, mitigation. When it came back, mitigation. Right? It's tapped up here 3 times. It's still rejected. So we may be looking upside. I mean, obviously we're seeing this push. Yesterday, when I saw this low and it didn't break the low here, I had an idea that it was going to go up. So now let's take in consideration Asian session, right? So it came down. So London broke through it. and then New York hasn't opened yet. See, this is, I don't, because New York loves to come into Asian, because like look at yesterday. Like here's, where is it? Here's 8 o'clock. Right, so London came back in. New York busted out of the Asian session and then busted right through it. Right? So there's a possibility that can happen. Now the only thing is if London can tap back in and then went up. See, like it's going up. I mean, it's looking like an uptrend right now, but we're in this triangle, right? And it's come to this zone 1. Well, I can even extend this out, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. All right, we're on the 15. So it's come to the zone a bunch of times, and it's pushing up every time. And today's Thursday. Yesterday was like reversal day, supposed. Didn't really do anything. It just consolidated. Like, so, I mean, we may just stay in this consolidation. I mean, with this triangle, if we see any move, just be aware. Like, be aware that the market may, like, if it does push, just look for it to maybe fake out and then go the other way. If it does push, and hey, if it does, let's just say it drops here, it goes like this, it might just push up and then continue up. Right, so I'm still inconclusive of how I want to trade this pair today. But it's still early. Like, it's not even, it's going to be 8 o'clock in 4 minutes. My video is not going to let me go that long. It's 17:40 right now on the time, and I get 20 minutes. So, but this is the markup. I'm still inconclusive because usually around 8:30, I'm going to know exactly a better idea of where the market's going to go. Because right now it's pushing up. If it continues to push up and then it hits off of like here, I'll have like a better understanding. But as of right now, I'm seeing bullish, but maybe it comes up here and then it just drops, right? Like I said, this triangle, which would make sense. The order blocks here, the triangle's up here too. I'm sure there's like imbalance. This is the 5 minute. Let's see what imbalance is here. Look at this. Tons of imbalance. Right. Yeah, we got some major imbalance. So look for it to come up, but also be ready and aware. See, like now it's gonna push. It's still pushing up, but look for it to push up, but be aware and ready for it to shift back in the other direction. So we may see it clear. Let me do that. Okay. We may see it push up here, but then drop. And it's still in consolidation. So, all right, guys, that's my time for today. My name's Nicky Limitless. I'm a man and I'm a day trader. What more you need to know? I'll see you guys later on the overview. Peace.